Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to make some rice pudding and these are my ingredients. So we're gonna need some vanilla extract, some salt, just a pinch of salt, butter will be like a tablespoon, some raisins, condensed milk, heavy cream. We'll need some water. That one is 2 cups. Milk, rum. You can use any other liquors or brandy. And for the rice, it will be medium grain, so you can find it in any store. Also, I will add some caramel on my rice pudding. So I will be using almond, brown sugar, and shredded coconut. Okay, so I think this rice is better, so it will absorb the milk. And right here I'm soaking the raisins in some rum, and we will use it later when the rice is ready. So in the meantime, we're gonna start cooking the rice while this is soaking. So I usually add the water first, so I'll be using 2 cups of water. Why the water first? Because I just think it will help the rice not to stick in the bottom of the pot. And next I'm using I will be adding some milk. It's a 2% milk, 2 cups as well. And now I'm adding 1 cup of rice as well as 1 stick of cinnamon. You can use nutmeg or allspices if you want, or the cinnamon and the powder cinnamon, and the salt. Like I said earlier, it's 1 pinch of salt. So mix it up. Okay, so now I'm adding some butter. It's the equivalent of 1 tablespoon. I'm also adding some heavy cream. It's also 1 tablespoon. Why heavy cream? I like this better than adding 1 egg. I know some people like to add egg to thicken the rice, but not me. And now I'm gonna let it boil. So we leave it on high, and as soon as it starts boiling, you can reduce it to slow. I mean, at the slowest as possible. So you reduce it. Mine will be simmer. So if you have the same stove as mine, so it will be simmer for the lowest temperature. So while my rice is simmering, we'll be working on my caramel. So for the caramel, I need a half stick of butter, a half cup of brown sugar, and you can add the rum if you want. So I'm adding the rum here. Also, you can add some honey or any other sweetener, but for me that will be enough. So right now I'm adding some almond, and next the shredded coconut. Yes, I know some people add more in the caramel, but this is enough for me because later on we'll be using some condensed milk, so I think the rice will be sweet enough. So right now I will be leaving this boil for 5 minutes on medium high. And like you can see, my rice is ready. You know, all the milk has been reduced, so I'm ready to add the rest of my ingredients. So this is some vanilla extract. It's a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, I will be adding some cinnamon. Once again, you can use nutmeg or any other spices that you like, but I'm using, even though I already have a stick of cinnamon, but I'm still adding the powder. As you can see, my rice is not sticking in the bottom of the pot. So Now it's time to add the condensed milk to sweeten my rice. I only added a little bit less than half a cup of this milk. So you can add more, it's just depending on the flavor that you're looking for. But a little bit and half a cup is enough for me. So of course, let's not forget about our rum raisin. So you can of course add other fruits, dry fruits of your choice. So but I'm adding raisins. And now my rice pudding is ready. Eating it with the caramel like that on top, it's really good. I guarantee you'll try it. And let me know down if you like it, or how did you cook it, or how you usually cook your rice pudding. Of course, you can eat it without the caramel as well. It's also good. So don't forget to subscribe and share this video. You might know somebody who likes rice pudding. And don't forget to hit the little bell also next to the subscribing button. Thank you.